Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check story interactions on Instagram. So from the there, if someone interactions you can also must click to their heart icon. You will see, and you will also the second step is to go on the settings on the top right corner of three lines of settings. So from the here you will see the your activity. Click to your activity. So the from here is instructions. So from here you will just click to the tagged option or likes options. So from the here interaction means which included likes, uh, tags and comments. So you can find it here. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.